Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good day. Just want to give a quick update in regards to our severe weather potential later today. But for our day-to-day temps into those mid to lower 70s, so plenty of energy for these storms later this afternoon to work with. And on the backside of the system, as the cold front comes through, temps will drop pretty significantly with that low of 38. Looking at our source map for today, a large area here outlined in yellow for where we're expecting severe weather potential across the majority of the central U.S., but specifically across Minnesota is kind of where we're most looking for the highest potential. The Storm Prediction Center has put a 4 out of 5 moderate risk for parts of southern Minnesota. St. Cloud is just on the edge of that 4 out of 5 risk. Just a little bit north of that is a 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. So a very, very high potential for severe weather today. Later on this afternoon, timing-wise, looking somewhere between about 3 to 7 p.m., looking for that best time here across central Minnesota, including the St. Cloud area. Probabilistically-wise, what we're expecting, that tornado potential is that highest threat. That's the reason why they have that moderate risk. It's a 15% hatched area. That hatched area just means the potential for a significant tornado. So if any storms do form, they could produce very, very long lived tornadoes, very strong tornadoes. So that's kind of the one thing that we're really worried about as we head into this afternoon. Alongside that, we're also seeing that pretty good potential for hail, a lot bigger threat here in terms of what we could see for that, but it is still once again a hatched area, so hailstones greater than 2 inches is possible anywhere within that kind of dash contour area, which once again does include the St. Cloud area and a good chunk of central Minnesota. Lesser end threat is going to be for that wind potential. Once again, still includes St. Cloud, but it's a little bit on that lower end, not expecting super significant winds, but as those storms form, they're going to grow pretty quickly, kind of form into a line, and then that's kind of when we're going to see that tornado threat possibly go down just a little bit, but that wind threat will also slightly increase, which is why it spans so far off to the east here. Behind that system, things will clear out for a day tomorrow. 58 for Tuesday. We'll see sunshine start to work later into the afternoon. Then should be sunny for a day on Wednesday. Back into those upper 60s. Still in the 60s for Thursday. We do see a chance of another weaker system. Not expecting a whole lot of rain, but could see a few scattered showers here and there. Then as we head into Friday, things clear out once again back into those 60s. And then Saturday, still in the 60s with maybe a little bit more cloud cover. So as we head into this evening, make sure to follow us on X, Instagram, and Facebook for more weather updates with this severe weather.